I use AI to escape my 9 to 5, and so can you. This workflow took me from $0 to $500 in 7 days. I did not need to learn coding, I did not need a huge audience, and I did not need new gear. I needed a laptop, a few focused hours, and the courage to run a weekend sprint. Quick gut check question to start. If you had an extra $500 by next weekend, what would you do with it? Pay down a bill, breathe a little easier, or stack it as the first brick in your freedom fund? That was the exact decision in front of me when I tested this workflow. Here's the problem I was solving. My paycheck was not enough, but I did not want a side hustle that chained me to someone else's schedule. I needed flexible income I could control, so I gave myself a weekend. Could I turn my own life experience into a YouTube video and a small digital product and make my first dollars online by next week? The answer was yes, and I will show you how to copy it. Before we dive into the steps, a quick 2-second favor. If this is already useful, tap like so. YouTube knows to show it to more people who need it. Subscribe if you want practical, repeatable AI workflows delivered every week. And share this with a friend who is tired of their 9 to 5. That tiny action could change their month. All right, let's build. Step 1, extract your wisdom with ChatGPT. You already have hard-won experience. Career lessons, money organization, parenting systems, wellness routines, or ways you solved a problem at work. Pick one small win that others would gladly pay $10 to shortcut. I opened ChatGPT and gave it 3 prompts. First, here's my background and the problem I solved. Second, write me a clear YouTube script in my voice with a simple structure. Hook, problem, steps, result, next steps. Third, convert that script into a 1-page checklist I can sell for $10. In minutes, I had a draft. I trimmed filler, added my examples, and kept it punchy. The goal is clarity, not perfection. Step 2, turn that script into a YouTube video. Keep it simple. Open your camera or record voiceover only. If you go faceless, you can record clean audio and pair it with B-roll, screen recordings, or slides. Read your script slowly, smile a little, and emphasize the verbs. Upload to YouTube with a clear title, a short description, and one link near the top that points to your product checkout page. We will build that in the next step. Step 3, package your wisdom as a tiny digital product. Start small. Think checklist, template, cheat sheet, or a 5 to 10 minute mini training. Mine was a weekend sprint guide called Make Your First $100 with AI. I priced it at $10 to remove friction. The math is clean. 50 buyers at $10 equals $500. My first 7 days delivered exactly that, and I will show you how I made it visible inside the video and description. Let's talk about time math because practicality matters. I spent about 3 hours total, 1 hour writing and editing with ChatGPT, 90 minutes to record audio and assemble visuals, 30 minutes to export, upload, and publish with a simple thumbnail. Total revenue in 7 days, $500. That is an effective $166 per hour for the initial sprint, not counting long tail sales that kept coming in after the first week. This matters because you need your first dollars to be believable and repeatable. Now I will show you the exact on-video script beats that drove those sales. In the first 60 seconds, I stated the outcome in the time frame. $500 in 7 days using ChatGPT and YouTube. I positioned the product as an optional shortcut. If you want the checklist I used, the link is in the description. I did not overhype it. I treated it like a tool for people who value speed. Then I delivered the full tutorial for free. This built trust and removed the worry that the product was a paywall. People bought because the value was clear. Pause for a quick audience check. If you could spend one weekend and make your first $100 online, would you try it this weekend or would you keep waiting for a perfect timing? Let me know in the comments. That simple binary question keeps viewers thinking and boosts engagement without slowing the pace. Here's how the 7-day revenue actually stacked up. Day 1, a trickle of buyers from early viewers. Day 2 and 3, the video got picked up and suggested and searched for specific terms like weekend AI side hustle and YouTube script with ChatGPT. Days 4 through 7, I pinned a comment with the product link and posted a short that pointed back to the long video. The compounding effect pushed me past $500. Importantly, the video kept earning after day 7, which turned the weekend sprint into a system. Let's get granular so you can copy this exactly. Script framework you can paste into ChatGPT. You are my script assistant. I am creating a YouTube video for middle-aged women who want flexible income. Use a direct, coach-like tone. Structure the script as hook, problem, my journey, step-by-step tutorial, results with real math, next steps, call to action to community. Keep sentences spoken aloud, not academic. After the script, generate a one-page checklist version that someone can follow in a weekend. Paste your bullet points about your experience, then ask for a 900 to 1,100 word draft. Read it out loud once. Wherever you stumble, simplify that line. Remove jargon. Keep verbs strong and concrete. Title and description strategy. Your title must carry a number, a time frame, and the tool names. Example, from 0 to 500 in 7 days with ChatGPT and YouTube. The description starts with 2 sentences that promise the outcome and list the steps. Line 3 is your product link, then include 3 to 5 keywords naturally. Weekend side hustle, flexible income, YouTube automation, ChatGPT workflow, thumbnail in first 5 seconds. Put the number and time frame on the thumbnail. In the opening sentence, repeat the outcome and time frame so viewers get instant congruence. That alignment reduces bounce and increases watch time, which lifts the video in recommendations. Product packaging. Your minimum viable product should be fast to make and easy to use. Checklist, template, or mini training. Price at $10 for the first sprint. Include exactly 3 parts, a one-page plan, a simple tracker, and a short Loom-style walkthrough. More than that slows you down. Less than that reduces perceived value. Revenue math and realistic expectations. If 10 people buy at $10, that is $100. If 30 buy, that is $300. If 50 buy, that is $500. Most first-time creators will land between 10 and 50 buyers if the promise is clear and the steps are shown. Publish, learn, and iterate. Your second video usually performs better because your title, thumbnail, and pacing improve with real feedback. Scaling the workflow. Post a one long-form video each week that teaches a single outcome. Repurpose it into one short that points to the long video. Add one tiny upgrade to your product every 2 weeks and announce it in your community or pinned comment. This compounds trust and conversions without remaking the whole product. Common pitfalls to avoid. Do not bury your product link. Keep it in the first 2 lines of the description and pin a comment with the same link. Do not wait for perfect visuals. Clear audio beats fancy edits. Do not oversell. Deliver the full method in the video and let the product serve as a convenience upgrade, not a gate. Finally, do not stop after one upload. Consistency creates the data you need to improve titles and thumbnails. Now here is your weekend action plan. On Saturday morning, spend 1 hour with ChatGPT to outline and draft your script. Late morning, record your voiceover and gather simple visuals or screen captures. After lunch, export and upload to YouTube with a clear thumbnail and title. On Saturday afternoon, convert your script into a one-page checklist, add a printable tracker, and host it on your preferred checkout tool. Put that link into your description and pin comment. On Sunday, post one short that repeats the outcome and time frame and points back to the long video. You are done. For most people, that is 3 to 4 focused hours of work. What happens next? Expect early buyers within the first 24 hours if your title and thumbnail are aligned. Expect most sales to cluster around days 2 through 5 as search and suggested kick in. Expect a trickle of sales after day 7 as the video ages. This is why YouTube is so powerful. Your work keeps working. Transparency moment. My first upload was not perfect. The audio peaked in a few spots and my thumbnail template needed stronger contrast. I still shipped it. The comments told me exactly what to fix next time. That honesty matters because the only way to learn YouTube is to publish. Done creates data. Data creates better decisions. Perfection creates delay. If you are listening and thinking this is doable, but you want structure and accountability, that is what my community is for. Inside Shane's AI Wealth Collective, you get step-by-step workflows, fill in the blank prompts, weekly office hours, and examples you can model. It is built for people who want flexible income, starting with believable weekend wins that grow into consistent monthly results. Imagine 12 weeks from now. 12 long-form videos, 12 shorts, and one simple product that has improved 3 times. Even at 10 sales per video, you could be at a reliable extra $1,000 with a clear path to replace more of your paycheck. That is not hype. That is arithmetic plus consistency. Here's the close. Your wisdom is valuable. ChatGPT helps you shape it. YouTube gives it reach. A small product turns it into income. Start with the weekend sprint. Post your results in the comments so we can learn together. Then join me inside Shane's AI Wealth Collective using the link in the description. I will help you build your freedom one repeatable workflow at a time.